Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peelable gummy candy easy guide. Mix 1 cup fruit puree, 1/2 cup sugar, 3 tablespoon gelatin, and 1 tablespoon citric acid in a saucepan over low heat until smooth. Pour into silicone molds, chill until set, then gently peel the gummies from the molds. Keep texture soft by adjusting gelatin by small increments and testing one piece before full batch. Start with quality ingredients and simple tools to make peelable gummies that taste great and release easily. Use fresh fruit puree or 100% juice, food-grade gelatin, citric acid for tang, and granulated sugar or sweetener. You will need a small saucepan, whisk, silicone molds, and a refrigerator. Measure accurately and warm ingredients gently to avoid overheating gelatin, then cool slowly to promote a pliable, peelable texture. Practice yields consistent batches and better peeling results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy candy guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-candy cleanup effortless and kind of fun. Check the description for the link and other deals to save. Hit the bell so you don't miss tips and flavor variations. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Gelatin bloom and temperature control are the secrets to peelable gummies that hold shape yet release. Sprinkle gelatin over cold liquid and let it bloom for 5 minutes, then whisk into warm, not boiling, mixture until fully dissolved. Pour into oiled silicone molds if needed, chill 2 to 4 hours, and test one gummy. Adjust gelatin by 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon if texture is too firm or too soft for beginners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.